They said, we can't interfere from the outside. What about if we influence from the inside? So what they decided to do, the people on earth are too caught up on the wheel of karma, repeating the same mistakes over and over again. We got to bring in souls who are not caught in that. Souls who are pure, who have never known violence, who have never been trapped on the wheel of karma. That's what we have to do. So, and I've had this through many, many, many clients. That's just why I put the pieces together to form this whole theory. They said the call went out for volunteers. Earth is in trouble. Who wants to go and help?